The primary distinguishing feature of the red-faced Liocichla is its bright red facial coloration. This creates a striking contrast with its generally green body color and makes it easily recognizable. This species can be found in several parts of Asia, especially in mountainous regions of Bhutan, Nepal, India, and China. The red-faced Liocichla is a medium-sized bird, with a body length of approximately 18 to 20 centimeters. Apart from its red face, the bird has green plumage on its body with brown wings and a conspicuous tail. The contrasting plumage makes it stand out. Red-faced Liocichlas tend to inhabit mountainous forests with dense vegetation. They are often found in subtropical and montane forests. Their diet consists of insects like beetles, larvae, and caterpillars, as well as fruits that they forage for in the forest canopy. These birds often form groups and can be seen in large flocks while foraging or interacting within the forest. They are known for their diverse vocalizations. Their calls include loud and often heard during the breeding season. Breeding for red-faced Liocichlas typically occurs during the spring season. They build nests and lay eggs in mountain forest habitats. While not classified as an endangered species, their mountain forest habitat is threatened by deforestation and environmental changes. Habitat conservation is crucial for maintaining their populations. The red-faced Liocichla is an intriguing bird with colorful plumage and distinctive vocalizations. They play a vital role in the mountain forest ecosystems of the regions they inhabit. That's a little information about the red-faced Liocichla bird that Megono Chirpy has summarized. Hopefully it can be useful and broaden your insight. Thank you.